Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Uh, Today we are going to be see that set operators in SQL. So what are the different types of set operators we have in SQL and how can we go for work on those set operators and what kind of scenarios we can get it related to it. Okay, so let me real quick. I will show you this. Yeah, what are the different types of set operators we have in a SQL? The first set operator we can call it as union. So what is meant by union? Combining the result set of two or more select statements into a single result set. So when we have the two result sets as a table 1 and table 2, so if you want to be get append the data and uh, get into the single result set, so we can go for use the union. So union cannot allow the duplicates. Union can get the distinct records from the both the data sets. You can see it remove the duplicate rows by default. Union cannot allow the duplicates, so it will get it only distinct records. Suppose if we go with the table A, employee ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Sri Ram, Mani 1, and Rahul, and we have the table B ID, Ename 6, 2, 5, 7, 4, 8. So when I apply union between these two tables, so whereas distinct records, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can get it. And in the table B, my record number 2 and record number 4 are repeating. So it's a duplicating. So I will eliminate these duplicates and I can get the distinct records from the both the tables. So when you apply the union, you can get the records in this format, employee ID, employee name, and distinct records. Okay, so whereas you have that union all it's similar with union function, but union all allow the duplicates. Okay, it does not remove duplicate rows, it include the duplicated rows, and it can be, suppose if we go with this table A and table B in our case, so here 2 is repeating, so 2 and table 2 also, table B also we have the 2 and so it will allow the 2 times in a single the resultant data set. 2 will be repeated 2 times and 4 will be placed in 2 times in a resultant data set. Okay, that's unional. Unional. So the definitions you can say that union means it allow the distinct values. It cannot allow any duplicates. And whereas in unional allow the duplicates as well. Allow the duplicates as well. Okay, the third function, the set operator, third set operator is intersect. So return only the rows that are common both the SQL statement. So when you go for intersect, the field or the column which is available, the data is available in both the data sets. I mean, both the tables which can be get display in the intersect. Suppose here you can see table A and table B. The two record number 2 and record number 4 are repeating is there in the second table as well, table B as well, right? 2 RAM. So only these two records get displayed in the intersect. Remaining all get excluded when you apply the intersect between two tables. Okay, two queries. And what is the minus and except? Return the rows from the first selected statement that are not presented in the second select statement. So if we go with the select star from table A, what are the elements we have in a table A which are not there in the presented in the second table? Suppose here 1, 3, 5. These records get displayed because 2 and 4 are already existing in the table B. So other than that, we don't get any data from table B. We get the data in the output only from table A. That too, the elements which are not available in the table B. So we have two not allowed into the resultant set. 4 is there in the both the tables, it not allowed into the resultant set. The output would be 1, 3, 5. Okay, so these are the four important set operators. So very regularly in interview, they will ask you what is the difference between union and union. So you can simply say the definition union means appending the data from two different select statements. So which allows non-duplicated data. Duplicates are not allowed in the union. Whereas in union all allows the duplicates, allow the duplicates. And what is intersect? Intersect return the common data in the both the select statements. So let's go for see that how we can do that in practical. Just go with the SQL Server. So I have already created two tables. So that's table A, table B. So we can go for run this queries. Inserted already data is inserted. So here you can see table A has the this many employee ID and names, and table B has this many employee IDs and name. So let me apply the union operator between these two queries. Okay, let me go for apply the union. So we have the select star from stage.A, the union select star from B, stage.B. Okay, select, execute it. So you can see that 2 is once it's repeating RAM and 4 is also showing once. So total 8 records we are getting, which are the distinct records. Let me put it here, union all. Okay, what we said, the union all allow the duplicates as well. Let me go for execute it. You can see Sriram, R-Ram, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2. RAM is again, it's repeating here. RAM is coming again, and 4, 1, it's 4 is coming again. So the union all allows the duplicates. The data is duplicated 2 and 4 records, right? So that's the major difference between union and union. Now I want to be apply the intersect between these two tables. Intersect. Okay, let me go for execute. Intersect means what? In the both the SQL statements, what is the common data? We have the common data 2 and 4, right? We need to get output as 2 and 4. Execute it. You can see the output would be 2, 4. Implied it and 4. And let's go for check that minus, how the minus will work. Okay, when you go for apply the minus, so I will get the data from first SQL statement and the records which are the rows which are not there in the table B. So in the table B, we have the 2 and 4, right? So other than those two records, we need to get it all other A table. Mm, minus we want to yeah, this minus is support for the Oracle database actually. So just I want to be accept. Let me run the accept function in the SQL Server. Yeah, now you can see that 1, 3, 5. 2 and 4 are repeating in the stage B. That's why we are not getting here. So the table A can hold that, which are the rows not available in the stage table B. Okay, those are 1, 3, 5. So this is the way we can go for answer the set operators. And one more scenario, I will explain it. Let me go for select star from A1. All right. Select star from B1. Hmm, let me execute it. So, so 1 minute. Okay. Delete from A1 where ID is equal to 3. And delete from A1 where ID is equal to 3. Let me do one thing here. So I have that 3, right? A1 drop table A1 and create a table. I'm dropping the table A1. Okay, wrapping the table A1, execute it, and create a table A1 again. Okay, create table A1 ID integer, execute it, and insert A1 values. Here I can put the. So I want to show you that one scenario. Yeah. Now let's go for select a star from A1, select star from B1, right? Execute it. So you can see I have the first table have the 4 rows, and second table I have the 2 rows. So if I put that union, what would be the result? And if I go for use the union all, what would be the result? Okay, if we have a tables like this, the IDs all are same values, and table 2 also 2. So what would be the output? You can get it union and union all. Let's see that you can go for apply union. So what would be the output? General union means union does not allow the duplicates, right? So you can go for execute. How many records we can get it? Only one record. Okay. So in the same table we have that it doesn't allow the duplicate values. If we mention that union all, let me see how many records we can get it. 6 records we are getting. The 4 records from one table and the record from the 2 records from the other table. Yeah, that's all about SQL set operators. So we can come up with a new topic and new interview scenarios. So still, if you're not subscribed my channel, please go for subscribe my channel and follow it. So I can go for add a number of interesting and useful scenarios and questions I will share with you. Thank you, everyone.